Can a dependent child on a tourist visa apply for a study visa if parent is on a Lesotho Exemption Permit? Yes. A dependent child on a tourist visa can apply for a study visa if their parent holds a Lesotho Exemption Permit. Tourist visa to study visa. Section 10 of the Immigration Act 2002 allows for a change of conditions, enabling a dependent child on a tourist visa to apply for a study visa. Requirements. To apply for a study visa, the dependent child must submit 1. A valid passport. 2. Proof of acceptance from a South African educational institution. 3. Proof of sufficient financial resources. 4. Medical and life insurance. 5. Proof of parental relationship. 6. Parents' Lesotho Exemption Permit. Section 12 of the Immigration Act 2002. This section outlines study visa requirements. Section 11 of the Immigration Act 2002. This section specifies dependents of foreign nationals with valid visas or permits, including Lesotho Exemption Permits, may apply for study visas. For children of Lesotho Exemption Permit holders applying for a study visa in South Africa, medical insurance requirements are specific and designed to ensure adequate health coverage during their stay. Here's how medical insurance works in this context. Medical insurance requirements. 1. Proof of medical cover. All applicants for a study visa must provide proof of medical cover for the entire duration of their studies. This cover must be with a medical scheme registered in terms of the South African Medical Schemes Act. 2. Dependent status. If the child is under 18 years old and is a dependent of an LEP holder, they do not need to have a separate medical aid membership. Instead, proof that the child is registered as a dependent on the medical scheme of the LEP holder suffices. This means that as long as the parent has valid medical insurance that covers dependents, the child can be included without needing an additional policy. 3. Annual renewal. The medical cover must be renewed annually for the duration of the study period. This is crucial to maintain uninterrupted access to healthcare services while studying in South Africa. 4. Documentation required. When applying for the study visa, documentation must include a membership certificate from the medical scheme confirming coverage. Evidence that the scheme is registered with the Council for Medical Schemes in South Africa. Details of the coverage period, which should align with the child's study duration. 5. Health assessments. Depending on age and specific circumstances, additional health assessments may be required, such as general health evaluations or radiological reports for older applicants. 6.7. Financial considerations. The cost of medical aid is separate from tuition fees and must be budgeted accordingly by the family. It is essential to ensure that the chosen medical scheme meets both personal health needs and institutional requirements. In summary, children of Lesotho Exemption Permit holders applying for a study visa can utilize their parents' existing medical insurance without needing separate coverage, provided it meets South African regulations. This arrangement simplifies healthcare access while ensuring compliance with visa requirements. In terms of the Immigration Directive NEO 5 of 2023, implementation of the decision in respect of granting exemptions to Lesotho nationals, in terms of Section 31 of the Immigration Act 13 of 2002 and requirements for an exemption permit, the ZEP holder, is meant to per 2.8 provide on application a certified record of birth of minor children born in the Republic of South Africa and proof of address of the applicant.